Yup, here it is. Another watch list. You know what it is. Watch list coming into you Monday evening. Watch list good for trading day Tuesday, February 28th. And let's get it started. Thanks for checking in. Uh, First on the list today, we got APYX. APYX Medical, 317 a share. RVOL 4.2. Daily trading range 20 cents. $106 million market cap. News for APYX. FDA clearance. 510. It's called the 510K for one of their treatments. And the chart shows some potential on the 1 year chart here. I kept it on max on accident. You could see reclaim on the 50-day moving average, and we're aiming for the 200-day once again, ideally for APYX. Gap around 434 a share as well. Next on the list, SGMO. There it is. Sangamo Therapeutics. Currently at 296 a share. By the way, APYX, I give it a grade rating B. The chart makes me give it a B plus. I'm starting to rate the trades, so it will help everybody get a clearer idea of what I'm thinking. SGMO and myself included, for quick reference in the morning. SGMO is at 296 a share. RVOL is 3.8, 21 cents daily trading range. $499 million market cap for SGMO. Price target raised to $16 from $4 as low as $4 by Wedbush. Wedbush coming in with an outperform rating. $16 price target, currently at $3 a share. Grade, I'll give it a C rating because that's the only news I could find off the top for SGMO. But it's pretty substantially higher. The price target's substantially higher than our current price, so that's enticing, you could say. Next on the list, 3-pack. NAT is what was on the list. Natural American Tanker Shipping, Nordic American Tankers. NGL and LNG is just another form of this, basically. LNG did not move as much. Natural gas futures were up today a little bit as well. I think people are starting to get speculative on natural gas. Here it goes. NGL breakout above the ranges I was watching it at. And LNG kind of holding off on the gas a little bit. Could break out still further if this move is going to get confirmed. I'd assume this is more of a direct relation with natural gas futures. Kind of, at least as far as the little consolidation, not as far as the big giant drop. Okay. Next on the list, by the way, natural gas has been moving up the past 2 or 3 days. BLBX is next up. Black Box Stocks Inc. Currently at 78 cents a share. RVOL 3.6. Average trading range 11 cents a day. $11 million market cap for BLBX. CEO purchased 1.1 million shares at $3 a share. Actually, currently we're at 78 cents a share. That news is pretty good. I give it a B rating. The news did drop today about BLBX. Chart looks good. Breakout is possible if we could make it above the 200-day moving average. Next on the list, LICY. LICY? LICY Holdings is the name of the company. Coming in at $5.89 a share. Relative volume 3.6, 35 cents daily trading range. 1.01. It's like basically a $1 billion market cap, we could call this, for LICY. Receives $350 million loan from the government U.S. Department of Energy. I'll give this trade rating grade C. Next on the list, we got TK stock ticker, and the company is called TK Corporation. Coming in at 609 a share. Relative volume 3 today, 22 cents daily trading range, $602 million market cap. Possible natural gas play as well. I'm not even sure. I didn't even look into it. They're coming off of solid earnings, though, as far as their year-over-year numbers. And I'd give this trade probably a grade C plus, or like maybe even a B. It's hard to say. I feel like I could give this like a B, is like a generally broader based market play, but C plus is what I'll give it, just so I could be more on the harsher side of things. Okay, next on the list we got SGEN, SGEN. Dang, gap ups are real with this one. All right, SGEN coming in at 177.95 a share, 3.2 RVOL, $6.14 daily trading range, $33.2 billion market cap for SGEN. News is Pfizer is supposedly in talks with SGEN about a deal worth about $30 billion. That's awesome news. Huge news as far as the giant gap up that occurred when that news dropped. I give it, for continuation purposes, I give it a grade C. What was it? A C plus for this one, just because who knows, we might just be like completely too late, and I didn't check their recent earnings, but that could be good to look into if you're going to make a trade on this as well. SGEN. Okay, next on the list, OPRA, OPRA Limited, coming in at $8.99 a share. Earnings per share and sales beat on their earnings drop recently. They are also have entered into a collaboration with OpenAI to improve themselves. OPRA, I'll give this a grade B minus on the trade rating. Relative volume 2.6, daily trading range 54 cents, $799 million market cap for OPRA. Next up, we got Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is coming off of their recent earnings, and they announced a $30 billion buyback, which was huge, in my opinion. Investor Day is coming up tomorrow, and people are curious about what might be going on with their CEO. Investor Day tomorrow, Tuesday. Goldman Sachs, let's see, what did it come in with today? Relative volume 1.5, $7.48 daily trading range, $122.6 billion market cap for Goldman Sachs. Next on the list, we got Triple M, 3M, I should say. Triple M. All right, coming in, Triple M, 108.28 a share. RVOL 0.38, $2.80 daily trading range. $59.6 billion market cap for 3M. February 2nd, news dropped that a large important investor of 3M is pushing for a new CEO, I believe, and maybe other boards or CEO or chief positions, you could call it, to be shifted around. But yeah, that's crazy news for 3M. And they're coming off of their recent earnings. Like, earnings are probably still... what happened here? They're kind of in the middle of all their earnings. It was in January 24th. Slight miss, as far as I could see on the earnings per share. Okay, that's 3M. And last on the list, we got CRM, Salesforce. CRM coming in at $163.23 a share. Relative volume is actually negative 0.2, Average trading range $4.55 per day. Market cap for CRM $163.1 billion. As far as I could tell, upcoming earnings on March 1st, which I think is Wednesday. And that's just about it for 3M, I think. But they are holding the 200-day moving average here quite well at the moment. Let's see, volume. Good enough, I'll look at it here. Volume is slowly increasing here before their earnings. We'll see if this is a solid hold. Do we make some moves higher, or if we're going back down and testing the 50-day. Okay, that's going to do it. CRM is last on the list. Thanks, guys, again for checking in. I appreciate you all, as always. God bless you guys. Have a good trading day tomorrow, and we'll see you on the next list. Peace.